That storm doesn't look so good. I'm a little worried about that. Yeah, that wall of water just came right for us.
It would have been so boring without the rain. Yeah.
You guys have to be in all my future vlogs. You make them much better.
We are shy now.
We are not used to the hype.
They've got the closing ceremonies for the triathlon behind us. These guys are out already experts here. And there's Anita loading in the boat. You look so unsure.
Yeah.
All right, I checked the radar. That storm is going north, so we're fine. It looks scary, but it's not gonna hit us. Oh, hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, we have a problem.
We should go in this direction.
Yeah.
Please. This way. This way.
All right, so we made it back. But yeah, that wall of water just came right for us. We got a good crew here. This is great. We're getting summer storms and it's the beginning of May. This is fantastic. Woo! Good stuff. That was fun. So what did you think of your first
I
experience?
think it's perfect attraction for a family. It would have been so boring without the rain. Yeah. We wouldn't have enough water. Yes.
Kann ich das nochmal wiederholen?
Tiroler Küstenwässer. La 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 la. Che bello.
Okay, we can go for other 500 meters and we are in the middle of the lake.
We're only that far? We're only a quarter of the way.
Yeah, the lake is 2 kilometers.
Wow! I wouldn't have. It seemed. I thought. I'm like, oh, well, we're almost on the other side, but no. Wow.
The problem is, if you want to go back, it's 4 kilometers, so 2 and 2. So.
Wow. Yeah, because look, we haven't gone that far.
What do you guys say?
Just wonderful now.
Wonderful. Sehr schön. Bellissimo.
Tiroler Küsten.
Da hier ist?
Get an action shot here.
Don't crush me, please.
Don't crash my new boat,
I mean, like, this is the adventure in Europe I was looking for. Look, we're kayaking on a lake with a view of the Alps. Birds are singing. Blue sky. Absolutely incredible.
Okay, so he's saying that if you want to save some energy, you can be relaxed with it in the hands. We don't have to take it with the energy, okay? In this way we can save energy and...
Also the shoulder.
Yeah, also for the shoulder.
Very relaxed.
Guys, how are you feeling today?
Really well.
Sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Was habt ihr heute gemacht?
Wir sind mit dem Kanu gefahren.
Mit dem Kanu? Wo?
Auf dem See.
Wow.
What are you doing? What are you doing here? Oh, come on. I thought you said you said you've done this before.
Can you please go out of my way?
Because during the 60s and 70s,
Who's gonna cheers to make someone a drink?
they used pistos a lot.
All right. Cheers. Salute. Salute.